All right, y'all, I got some friends and family over today, and we're gonna make some potato soup. I'm gonna show you how. Let's go. Wow.
That's a flavor.
This has gotta be the best potato soup I think I've ever had. All right, y'all, we got the sous vide machine out for this one. Sous vide the potatoes makes the potato soup super potatoey. It's gonna be delicious. We got some Yukon Gold potatoes, some chicken stock, some peaches and cream sweet corn. We're also gonna tie in some bacon, some cheddar, some chives, some sour cream, garlic, rosemary. It's gonna be off the chart. You guys are gonna love this one. I'm gonna get this stuff ready to roll. We're gonna get cooking. Let's go. All right, you guys, let's get this last potato done here. And I'm just chopping it in bite-sized pieces. You'll notice that I have 2 sets of potatoes reserved. This is gonna be for the body of the potato soup. This is gonna be to add some viscosity to the potato soup. All right, just like that. All right, we're gonna get these potatoes into these vacuum sealed bags that I have already created. Show you what that looks like next. All right, let's get the first one done here. Now this is about 3.5 pounds of the potatoes. We reserved 1.5 pounds just to add some consistency and body to the potato soup here. All right, now that we have that added, let's add a little bit of salt. Say a couple teaspoons at least. Not like that. All right, we're gonna get the next one ready to roll here. All right, y'all, we got them both ready. We're gonna add a little bit of chicken stock to each. I'd say we used about a cup altogether. All right, I'm gonna get these sealed up and we're gonna get them into the sous vide. All right, you guys will notice that I kind of flattened it out just so it cooks evenly. Let's go ahead and get it added in. Now we are gonna set this to 195 degrees. Let this run for about 2 hours. All right, you guys, we're gonna let that run for 2 hours at 195. If you have issues where the potatoes wanna float, just throw a basket or a strainer or something in there that's metal to help hold it down. When you are vacuum sealing, watch for the chicken stock to kind of creep towards the top and seal it. Don't let that chicken stock get into your vacuum machine. If you don't have a sous vide or a vacuum machine, no problem. Just boil the potatoes and chicken stock, it'll be great. All right, you guys, now that we got the potatoes going, let's get the bacon prepped and ready. And all we're gonna do is get this onto a cookie sheet here, and we're gonna bake it in the oven until it's super crispy. 375, probably gonna take 30 to 45 minutes. All right, you guys, just like that. We're gonna get this in the oven, and we'll come back once the potatoes is ready, the bacon's ready, we're able to bring everything together. Be right back. All right, you guys, bacon's good to go. Sous vide has been exactly 2 hours, so we're gonna check that out, see what that looks like. I'm gonna get everything prepped and ready to roll to bring this soup together. And oh, you might notice this pot of chicken tortellini soup we got going here. Be sure to check that video out. You guys are gonna love that soup. All right, I'm gonna get everything ready to roll. Let's go. All right, you guys, 2 sticks of butter. And we're gonna also add probably about a cup of cream to start, and utilize the cream and chicken stock to kind of get to the consistency we're looking for. Yeah, that's good. Maybe a little more. Yeah, about a cup and a half. To the butter and to the cream, go ahead and add some smashed garlic. It does not need to be chopped or minced. And a sprig of rosemary. All right, while we got that rock and roll, let's go ahead and get our potatoes into the blender. Now this is the larger of the 2 bags that we made. Now this is hot, so be careful, guys. All right, just like that. All right, let's go ahead and get this corn heated up. All right, now to the corn, add a little salt and pepper. All right, you guys, give the milk and butter a little taste. Make sure that garlic and rosemary has incorporated and that it's at the temperature that you want. Oh, yeah. All right, let's go ahead and get that added in here. Now, one thing I will tell you is that all of the milk solids, that is the flavor of butter right there. Make sure you get that incorporated. All right, let's get this blended up. All right, let's check for consistency, yeah? Oh, yeah. Pretty good. All right. Okay. Consistency is good. Really personal preference on how thick or thin you want it. I like mine on the thicker side more so than the runny side because it's heartier, but make it your way. All right, we got the corn that's ready to roll. Get it all put together, yeah? Oh yeah, look at how silky smooth. Ooh, buddy. Oh, you guys are gonna love this one, I'm telling you. You're gonna love it. All right, let's get those potatoes added in. All right, you guys, once again, be careful. It is hot. Oh yeah, this smells great. All right, you guys, we're gonna plate this with some crispy bacon that we started earlier. Sour cream, cheddar, and chives. Check it out. Man, would you look at that? It looks freaking delicious. All right, you guys, let's go. Oh, yeah. Andrea, go for it.
That's really good.
Yeah. Oh man, you guys. Wow.
Really creamy.
Wow. Oh, you guys have to make this. This has got to be the best potato soup I think I've ever had. Hands down.
Yeah.
Man, the sweet corn.
Lots of flavor, yep.
Oh man. Wow. All right. Well, you guys got to make this one. Until next time. Ciao. That's so freaking good.
Perfect. Oh my gosh, yes, it's amazing.
Wow.
Not bland at all.
No, it's got nothing but flavor.
Yep.